Hey, what's up YouTube? So you know it's best here. This is my final prediction video for WWDC 09, which is coming up this Monday, June the 8th. A lot of big things are going to happen. First off, we're going to talk about the new things with the iPhone. Now, as far as the overall design, I don't see that it'll change that much, but definitely on the internals, going to get very reworked inside. Now, of course, on having a standard upgrade to the processor, upgrade to the graphics, and also upgrade the memory, you'll see the memory be a 16 gigabyte and a 32 gigabyte version of the new iPhone. Other things that it may possibly have an OLED screen, which is a very high resolution screen, or just a very nice looking screen. Now, if you've seen the Zune HD, that carries an OLED screen. So if you see that, just imagine on the iPhone. That would look pretty sweet. All right, if it doesn't have the OLED screen, it'll probably have a haptic touchscreen, meaning that once you touch on the screen, say you're typing, you touch on the virtual keypad, it'll give you a vibration effect like you're actually typing on a real button, okay, or like a real physical keyboard. Also, you can expect to see a front-facing camera, which will allow for an iChat application, so you can do some one-on-one video conferencing straight on your phone, be able to talk to the other person, they'll be able to watch you at the same time, and also to the standard camera that's on the back of the phone. You probably see a bump up to a 3.2 megapixel camera with autofocus, and autofocus may possibly be like you have the screen and you move your finger on the screen, you can choose what object that you want to focus on. So I've seen it like a rumor demo of that, and it looks pretty nice if that is the case. They have a digital compass in there for all your outdoors people. They'll probably have an FM tuner in there to listen to the radio straight on your phone. Also, it will probably other than that, you might see some different things with the software besides what we heard in the regular 3.0 software update. Probably have the ability to actually download TV shows and movies right over 3G instead of having to use straight from your Mac or your PC and import it to your phone. You may be able to download it straight over the air via 3G. That would be nice. Also, it may have an iMovie application to provide some on-the-go video editing straight on your phone, and then you'll possibly be able to upload it straight on YouTube over 3G, and that would be pretty sweet. Now, as far as the iPhone, we know definitely something's going to happen in the new iPhone. Now, let's get to what's going to happen with Snow Leopard. Snow Leopard is the next version of the operating system for Mac computers, and this is really going to do a lot of work on the internals. You can expect to see more information about that and set a definite release date for it. Other things that come with Snow Leopard is going to have a minor UI change with its codename Marble. We'll change the UI a little bit, clean up the UI a little bit, the user interface for those of you out there. Also going to have a screen recording program, kind of similar to ScreenFlow, not as much detail with it, but you will be able to do that. And probably include QuickTime Pro included in Snow Leopard for free. Right now, you do have to pay for QuickTime Pro. Also Apple software like Final Cut Studio, Final Cut Express, Aperture, all of the applications and the software that Apple makes are due for a definite update. And this is what WWDC is, a worldwide developer conference. This is what it is about the developers. So you can see some type of update to those key applications for Mac users out there. And also coming back to the iPod Touch. iPod Touch, I don't expect to see a big change in it at all. If any change, I think they'll probably wait until September to update the iPod Touch along with the other iPods, which they do yearly. Other than probably Steve Jobs probably making a surprise appearance at WWDC, those are my pretty much set in stone predictions. I think a lot of them will come true. Oh, I almost forgot. 3G and MacBooks. Now, a MacBook, netbook, or a tablet have been rumored for a very long time. I would think you'll probably first, before you see a tablet, you probably see the MacBook and the MacBook Air get integrated 3G cards in them, which allow you to use a certain cell phone carrier and pay a very low fee for the MacBook upfront, like $200 or $300, but you'll be locked into a 2-year contract with the data plan over the air. You can see that definitely happening. That would definitely lower the price and get netbook type prices rather than seeing a specific new computer, which is a netbook as far as the Mac is concerned. Tablet, we still don't know about the tablet. I probably think that would probably wait until 2010. That's the rumors going around until we see some type of touchscreen tablet. All right, Soldier Knows Best. Make sure you do catch me Monday. I will probably be streaming during the WWDC event to keep you up to date about what's going on live. And also I'll probably do another stream that night, letting everybody catch up to see what's happening. And I'll also do a recap video, which is probably my best videos I like to do over keynotes from Apple. You can expect that on YouTube. And also I'm gonna have some giveaways for that video as well. So you're probably gonna watch it anyway, but I definitely gonna have some giveaways out there to help celebrate this occasion because I'm really excited for it. All right, Soldier Knows Best. I'll catch you later. Peace.